Right, this is what I'm filming. This is what I'm making. I've slit in there, and I've slit in there, and then I've got a quick cut round here. And then that'll be the new piece in there. Takes shape of everything. That goes in there. Goes up there to the window corner. And the top scuttle will go up over this. So, that's it. I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Hey everyone. Just repairing the scuttle, bottom bit. It's getting there. Been doing a lot of work to this over the last few days. I've just welded in a new plate here on the inside to repair it because it was all rotten there. So I've just got to trim this across here. That'll be the lip. Started doing these. I've done all of this. I've even repaired that bracket on the inside of there. That one. I put a new lip across the bottom, so that's got to be welded in shortly. So, started doing more work under there. So a lot has changed. This one's made, ready for the top scuttle to go on, and then the plate runs across the top. So these will be getting remade, these old will. So yeah. Loads has changed. Bottom scuttle section. I'll show you the top section in a bit. I've been very busy the last few days. And I'll be back with you when I've done some more. There you go, there's one repair. A lovely weld across there. Some spot welds there which I'm going to grind flat so that when the top scuttle goes in, it'll have new places to weld the top scuttle in. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. A few little repairs here and there. That's done. So I'm going to start cleaning this up, get it rust treated, red oxide primered again, because I've been welding and grinding on it, and then do some touch-ups. I'm really chuffed with the way this car's coming on now. I'm really getting a bat on. I've also got in the house a wire loom dash surround with the clocks, temporary clocks that is, because there's no rev counter. A steering column coming, and some other bits. So back with you shortly. Right, this is all done. Rust treated, repaired all the way across, all the way. It's all rust treated and ready to be red oxide primered. All there's done. All that's done, repaired. In there, it's all welded in now, that bracket. Just got to do a bit of work on here. So yeah, been very busy. I think it's looking great now, look. The front end is virtually done. All ready to have the scuttle put on. Almost. All the lines up in there. It's got the lip running down the door. That's where I welded that bracket in there on the side. Just got to touch that up a bit. And there you have it. So lots has been done, and I'll bring you back when I've done a lot more. But great progress on the cortina. I'll bring you back. Let's give you one close look. All the lips done. all that's done. Where I said I was going to fiberglass it there, I did manage to weld a little plate in there instead. But I'm just going to put a little bit of fiberglass filler over the top of it to seal it in. So yeah, and the same around these little bits here that I had to make. So yeah, back with you shortly. This is the surround I went for. I went for a black one. Got switches, cigarette lighter, clocks, which I'm going to use temporary because I want one with a rev counter. But this will get me started. But look at this, nice black trim. That's what I want, not the wooden one. So I test fitted that, fits in lovely. Excellent. Nice. I've even got all the wiring loom and everything. With the ignition switch. It's gonna look good. Oh yeah. Right, back soon. There it is, all red oxide primered. I'll show you red oxide primered. Welded, repaired, red oxide primered. I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Looking good. Getting so close. There's even new bonnet clips inside it, so I could use them to line up the wings. Back soon. Back shortly. Hey everyone, I'm now doing this. I put a piece of metal across there to get to the frame. I've cut this out of there, and then I'm going to make a new piece of this, weld that back into there to this lip there, and then I'll cut all of this to the shape of the frame, the window. That'll go there, like that, and then a new piece will run down into here, back up to here. Most of this will be gone, it's going to be cut down, but this is the shape of the thingy, and then it'll be spot welded here. That's what I'm on now, and I'll be back with you when I've done some more. Should be interesting, shouldn't it? Didn't want to keep this bit because it's flimsy, it's knackered. There's a nice new piece in there. I'll be back with you when I've done that. Hi everyone, this is how I'm embedding it. Put a piece there, across there, and I'm now slitting, welding it, tapping it down, welding it. So that's back shortly. All black. If the weather's bad, this is what you have to do to make yourself a makeshift tent around the car. That's what I'm doing at the moment, putting that scuttle back in. So that's what I've been doing. All the bonnet sits in place where it's meant to sit. I'm just tacking it in for now until I get everything perfect. And I'll see you in the next one. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.